How you doing? Nice to be back. We're going to do a very simple problem, a simple ramp problem. We've looked at the basics of ramp physics in that I have an object sliding down the ramp. I have three forces that I have to look at. I have the downward weight straight down perpendicular to the earth. I have the normal force perpendicular to the ramp, and I have the what I call push or pull force that's parallel with the ramp. That's actually the force that propels something down the ramp. On a water slide or a ski slope, there is a force that is part of the weight that is actually propelling you down the slope, and that's Fp. We also have Ff. This is the friction. This friction is contrary to the Fp, but we're going to ignore it for now. We're going to say it doesn't exist. Okay, I put a little X there just to X it out. We're not going to look at that friction. Okay. All we want to find is Fp for this problem. We have a large car on a roller coaster that's filled with people, great adventure wherever the case may be, and it's 2,000 kilograms, the whole car with the people. I'm going to use this G. I'm going to use 10 meters per second squared. I like to round it up. The angle is going to be 45 degrees. Again, the mass is 2,000 kilograms. That's a large mass. And I just put here the basic Fw. Fw should be second nature to you. Well, let's start with Fw. We know that Fw is going to equal 20,000 newtons. Okay? Mg, 2,000 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared, 20,000 newtons. Now, if you look at this, this is Fp is what we're looking for. Now, you know, and we've gone through this before, that sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. And you'll look and see that's the exact function we're looking for. This is the hypotenuse, always. This is what we're looking for, opposite 45 degrees. So that would be sine theta equals Fp over Fw. Now, look at this. Very simple, very simple. Fp equals, cross multiply, Fw sine theta. So let's erase this and put that equation in, and that's the functional equation that we're going to use. You guys with me? Everything's fine? Okay, got your calculators out? We're going to calculate the value for Fp. Okay, here we go. Fp equals, right? Let's open this up a little bit so we can extend that. It'll be 20,000 sine 45 degrees. All right? So, do we have an answer there? An answer there? Okay, yes. 142. That's actually exactly correct. Fp equals 14,142 newtons. Open that up there. Okay, easy. So Fp, let's review what we just did. A roller coaster car, 2,000 kilograms, full of 3 or 4 or 5 students. Car is very heavy. Total mass together, 2,000 kilograms, and it's sliding along a roller coaster with the angle of 45 degrees. What is going to be Fp? What's going to be the sliding force, the push force going down the ramp, which is parallel with the ramp? Well, we came up with this equation where it's going to be Fw sine theta, and that's the answer. So, 14,142 newtons is the force that inherently wants to slide that car down the ramp. Easy? Thank you.